Hey, what is up, Master Chasing here? So let's do a technical analysis and a price prediction of Litecoin, LTC. It's been a little while since I talked about Litecoin, so we're going to pick up where we left off in the previous Litecoin video. We're going to be using the same Fibonacci retracement that we started back in mid-June on into now. We're going to use that low point from mid-June and that high point that we had back on around August 13th. So looking at how things are working out right now, though, we do have a lot of retracement from that previous price that we were at in August. So let's talk a bit more about this. So as we get to it, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash the story annihilate or gently press that like button. Help me out with the algorithm. Help spread the content to more people that might find it interesting. And subscribe and push that bell notification if you have not already. Now, let's get to this. So looking at how things are playing out with Litecoin, we currently got Litecoin up about 3% over this last 7 days. Not a whole lot going on with the price at this moment, but we have been seeing some movement within the price of Litecoin. Not as much as we were seeing with Ethereum Classic, which Litecoin and Ethereum Classic, they were trading pretty closely together as far as market cap goes, but we've been seeing that pump with Ethereum Classic that has been able to push it up a few more in the crypto market cap placement. But still, I still am very bullish on Litecoin. So at this moment, we're going to be using the daily chart. Now, usually, of course, I like using the 4-hour chart a lot better for technical analysis. But at this moment, it's easier to find 5 waves within the daily chart and get a good idea about where the price could potentially be going. Now, we are seeing a good amount of volume activity with Litecoin. So there is multiple days where we had good volume activity, good little price pumps, leading Litecoin into retesting that Fibonacci level that it was at back in mid-August. So it's working its way up there, but there's still a little bit preventing it from succeeding climbing up to that, but almost a full retracement over this period. So absolutely amazing that is the situation. Now I have these price predictions. They're pretty steep. I probably went a little bit too high with that neutral price prediction, but still, I think, well, we're still right on track with hitting that. Now we're definitely almost all the way back to that $65 price. A little bit more of a ways to go. Seeing some pullback at this moment, but hopefully within the next day, we're going to be able to see the price retrace back to that top Fibonacci level and completely regain those recent losses that we had seen over this previous 30 days. Now, also, what I want to look at here is the current 5 waves that we have. So let's look at this right now, starting first with the low point here that we were at on around August 27th. And from here, look at our wave 1, which will go here, and just seeing how this has all been really retracing a lot of those losses. Now, here in this 5th wave here, I'm assuming that we're hopefully going to be taking this all the way up to that $65 or $66 price, and hopefully that's going to be the case. But at the same time, I'm also hoping that we're going to be able to break through this. Now, if that's the case, then who knows where the price could go from there. But this is all exciting stuff because we are seeing Litecoin retrace a lot of what it had recently lost. So we went from a price of around $40 and now we're back at a price of $62 at this moment. So we've been seeing a really nice recovery here. Now, this current Fibonacci level that we're in right now, this is a very key one. This is that area of support that we had Litecoin holding back in May and into the first week of June until it ended up falling through and hitting that 52-week low where the price was around $40 at that time. So really, this current Fibonacci level is very key for that reason. But at the same time, if we're able to pump through this Fibonacci level and start working our way back to regain a lot of those losses that we had in through the month of April and May, if that's the case, then we could see a really nice retracement from here. Now, of course, the bears don't like hearing anything positive about what's going on with the price, but I think that this hurdle right here is what we're going to now attempt to try to break through those prices, since we are seeing the price recover a lot back to that. So back to that May, June price, and then hopefully we'll start then retracing from there back at some point, hopefully within those prices of around $90, given that that could be something that we could be reaching at the more so the end of the year. But seeing this third quarter here that we're getting ready to enter into October, I really think that there's a lot of good possibilities to happen within that last quarter. We've always seen a crypto running a lot better during that time. Of course, everybody's out there spending money. Things are moving, and now we have things to look forward to within this next week. We got talks about interest rates and things like that, and how could that affect the outcome of the current financial situation. So if we get any sort of good news with that, then there's that possibility that we could see some continued momentum within the crypto market, and something that could be very beneficial for Litecoin. And of course, other things, other factors, the Ethereum merge, the Cardano Vassal hard fork, all those things also are more catalysts for crypto to continue to keep people being bullish on crypto over time. So if this all plays out, I still like that price prediction, that bullish price prediction of seeing that possibly by the end of September, early October, that we could see Litecoin at that price around $80 or even more from there. Still, that neutral price prediction is just if we're going to continue trading sideways above this 50% Fibonacci level and run right into that, which we're right on track to do such a thing. And anything below that, of course, that's our bearish price prediction, and that's just going to get us closer and closer to that 52-week low, which we don't want to be anywhere near that, of course. So that's how things are currently playing out. So we're still on track to hopefully hit these price predictions. Everything's looking good. So hopefully from there, we'll continue to be able to retrace those previous losses that we had with Litecoin and keep pumping up the price from there. So hopefully that's how this is all going to work out. I know that this is very bullish, but I'm thinking that we could quite possibly be seeing things go that direction, looking at how things are currently playing out. So cross our fingers that we do get such a thing working. So anyways, though, I like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about this. Where do you guys see the price of Litecoin going by the beginning of October? And then where do you see the price of Litecoin going by the end of this year? I would like to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I will see you all in the next one coming very soon.